guys, how are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. I'm good wherever I am. So welcome to another vlog. Right now it's around 5:30 p.m. It's almost 6 p.m. So we are going right now to the shopping center. It's not that far, to buy some few things that we need to cook today. So come along with us, spend the evening with us. Let's go to the shopping center and buy some few things, and then we cook. I'm going to cook today here. Okay, so let's go. I'm waiting for my sister. She's inside, so that we can go and buy something.
What's popping?
What's popping?
That's popping. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh. So now we are going by foot. We are walking. We're having a walk here. We have so many kids around here. So this is our gate. This one, yeah, from there to here, to this place right there. So let's go. We have so many corns here. That is maize. We call it maize here, but many people call them corns and maize beans corns. And everything. Cassavas, pumpkins, bananas. What else? Avocados. Yeah? Apple. My stomach is full. Matemo. Never. We have matemoyo here. This is what is called matemoyo. Yeah. Mutu tamu. Mutu mtamu. Can you see the corns?
And nini? Sweet potato.
2 by 2. And yeah, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, yeah. Can you see how this place is green? Can you feel the village life? We are having oranges. So this is our shopping center, our small shopping center called Misiane Shopping Center. So now we are back home here. Yeah, we have just arrived. It's 6:30 right now. So guys, I want to cook chapo. I want to cook for them soft, layered
Chapatis.
soft chapatis. So I'm going to use this sufuria to mix the dough because of what? So first, I'm going to add flour. cooking oil. Next, I'm going to add chumvi. Nisaidie hiyo chumvi. Yes. This is the salt. We made salt.
Yeah.
I'm going to add a little, just like that, and then mix. Saidie hiyo maji Alvin, hii iko na birika. Just like that.
Moto, usishike.
Okay. So I'm going to add water. This is warm water. So I'm going to add water. Ina nimeweka mingi. Jikarange. So we are going to cook chapati, rice, stew, and
Steamed cabbage.
steamed cabbage. Yes, so that's what we are going to cook. Hii unga ni kama ni mingi. Mpishe tu kidogo. So this is my duff. Yeah, so I'm going to cook inside the house because my sister here, she's going to prepare the stew and the cabbage and everything. Yeah, as I cook the chapatis. Samani aje. Okay. So now I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to cook the chapati, the chapos from here. So let me arrange the balls. I'm going to arrange the balls here. This pepper right here. Oh. This is my dal. This one. So I'm going to cut them into small pieces, like this way. So these are my chapos, these are the balls, and this is where I'm going to cook from. So guys, these are my chapatis. They are very, very soft. Yeah, very soft. So I'm going to cut them into 4 pieces. I'm going to cut them into 4 pieces. So let me do that. So guys, I'm done with cooking chapatis. I'm here in the kitchen with my sister. She's cooking, the stew.
Cabbage.
Imagine she hasn't cooked the stew. She said she'll mix with the cabbage.
Yeah, because we are so many here. So that's
She mixed everything, with the meat, potatoes, carrots, everything. So she wants to fill the sufuria with water. Yeah, because we are so many. We are 10. Yeah, we are 10. We have 10 plates here.
just imagine.
Just imagine. Kako sawa. So how many cups are you going to cook?
2 cups.
2 cups.
Yeah.
2 cups.
Okay.
How long?
Will it be enough? 10 people.
Going back.
Imba. Adi? It will do what? Multiply.